Tired of dealing with frustratingly high ping in Warzone Mobile and finding it hard to hit your targets? Take a breather, no need to stress. In this guide, I've got your back with some simple solutions you can try right on your iPhone. Let's jump in and tackle this together. Alright, first up, let's tackle Solution 1. Check your connection stability. Start off by opening the Speed Test app on your iPhone. Just tap on it and hit that Go button. It will display your download and upload speeds along with your ping. If your ping is too high, give your router and device a restart to see if that helps. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off for a few seconds. And oh, don't forget to turn off any VPN you might be using. Additionally, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data might do the trick. Now on to Solution 2. Reset network settings. Open up the Settings app once more. Then, scroll down until you spot General and give it a tap. Scroll down a bit more and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, hit Reset followed by Reset Network Settings. Confirm your action by tapping on Reset Network Settings again. Your network settings will then be reset, hopefully fixing the high ping issue. Lastly, let's try Solution 3. Offload Warzone Mobile. Open your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone storage. Look for COD Warzone in the list and tap on it. Hit the Offload app button. Then, tap on Offload app again to confirm. The app will be offloaded from your device. Simply tap on Reinstall app to start Warzone reinstalling. After that, the issue should be sorted out. And there you have it. Those are some quick fixes for the high ping problem in Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for tuning in.